Hi YouTube, long time no hairstyle. So today I want to make a curly ponytail with like bangs in front, and this is all experimental. I haven't tried this before. Everything I'm using is essentially new. So I have got to be glued spray. I have two extensions. One I got from AliExpress, which is like a proper ponytail, and this is like clip-ins. And this one I got from Amazon, and I believe they're both 20 inches long. It'll probably be easier for me to use this one. So this is the one I actually wanted to use first, and then it wasn't going to come on time, so I had to order one ASAP from Amazon. And then yeah, this one ended up coming. So I think I'll use these for the ponytail and then curl it. So I got some curling iron as well that I'll use to just enhance the style as much as I want. I'm starting on freshly blow dried hair using my Dyson hair dryer, and yeah, let's get into this hairstyle. So I want to pack it quite high, but first I'm going to section off a part in front. There's going to be my bangs, my side bangs. And then I'm just gonna try and comb the rest of my hair to the back. All my grey hair is trying to disgrace me. I'm gonna try and get into a bowl. A dead hairband. All together. Good. Now, hopefully, this spray, easy peasy. Let's see. I said hold 15 to 20 cm away from here. And bag it distance. Okay, that's okay. And I've seen people use this spray. It hasn't been wet. I'm not sure this part is working. We'll see. I have gel in case that doesn't work. I'm gonna add some Shea Moisture Edge Gel. Hopefully this doesn't flake because I need this hairstyle to bang for my shoot.
heart, give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart, give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow, all we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just
Colors are slightly different. Don't know if you see. This is darker than this one, but they are both body wave. We'll see how to make it work. That bit, I just put that up to be out of my face, and let's see. Okay, looks decent. So these are the clip-ins. I think I'm just gonna do one on one side, one on one side. So some of them have like two clip-ins, and then they have these two pieces that have just one. So I'll use one for each side. Ponytail, I'm gonna try and fix to this here.
and gentle tease. You must have been sent just for me. Come one, come all.
Sometimes I feel like they never make these things very deep. Is my hair too big? I don't like the color of my hair. I feel like I shouldn't have used the got to be spray thing.
Through the fields of young romance, and under blue skies with an open glance, we head over heels filled with dreams. Come all, everything, just when I need you. You set sail and navigate, but when I need you, you lift me up till we levitate.
So I'm just cutting, creating some cuts. Actually, am I going with the 2-1? Okay, 2 is too long. But then this one is too short. So most likely just cut here because it's slightly longer.
We can go wherever. We can be whoever. You and me. Just when I need you, you set sail and navigate. But when I need you, you lift me up till we levitate. You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing, and my eyes are set on you.
So I'm adding one of the clip-ins. Just all around. Style. What do you guys think? What do you think? I think I finally got there.